In the latest version of the YouTube Shorts beta app, you can now use any Shorts video and sample it for your own YouTube Shorts. But are they using your video without your permission to do so? We'll come to the permissions part in a minute, but first, I'll show you how you can sample any Shorts video for your own YouTube Shorts inside the YouTube Shorts beta app. So open up the YouTube app on your phone, go to the Shorts shelf. If you have a video that you want to take the sound from, not the video, but the sound, I'm going to take this video here just as a sample.
I just don't understand.
So I'm just going to pause it. So what you will see on the bottom right is this icon down here. Click on that. Then you will see on the bottom, use this sound. So I can take the sound from this 15 seconds from this video and use that as a short on my own YouTube short using the Shorts app. So if I click on that, then what I need to do, hello there, is to just record my video, and when I press the button here, the record button, it will actually use that sound just like you do on TikTok. Use that sound and then I record my video over that audio. So if I click on here,
I just don't understand. I don't understand. He's 28. He's a bum. Why does she want him but not me? I don't understand. I got good grades. I got a future. I'm like, why? And that's what I realized. I don't understand.
If I click on next, so it will sample that. I can add text. I can do all sorts of things on there to make that 15-second video. So once you've done that, then optimize your video, give it a good title, put in hashtag shorts in the title and the description, upload that to your YouTube channel. So that is the update for the YouTube Shorts beta app. Now, what is the cost of this on YouTube? Another update YouTube have added is inside the YouTube Studio app on desktop. It isn't on the Studio app on mobile, but it is on desktop. So if you look inside of YouTube here in one of our videos, if we scroll all the way down inside of YouTube Studio, all the way to the end, you will see allow people to sample this content. So this is brand new under Shorts permissions. So it says allows people to create shorts using parts of this video. Turning this off will permanently delete all shorts sampling its content. Not all videos can opt out. So we see there that YouTube have now switched this on automatically on all of your videos, and it hasn't said anything about it. There is no way to switch this off across your channel. You have to go into individual videos and switch it off. So you have now the ability to sample content, but now obviously your content is being sampled too. So if you don't want that sampled, you have to go into the individual video and switch that off. They did mention this for the YouTube Shorts beta app a while ago, and now this is what's happening. This checkbox has now been added inside of YouTube Studio. If we click on Learn More, we see that it says if you choose to use audio from others' Shorts videos, the owner may delete their original content or restrict its use in other Shorts at any time. When this happens, any derivative shorts will be muted, set to unlisted and scheduled for deletion in 30 days. So if you do sample somebody's video, they either delete it or switch off that permission, then within 30 days your video will be deleted or muted. Luckily enough, they'll send you a nice email to let you know this is happening. So you can download a version that doesn't include the audio. How nice. So what does this mean for you as a creator? Well, if you have sampled someone else's video, you get 10, 100, even 1,000,000 views on that sampled short, and then they delete it. You're screwed! And if someone samples your video and they get 10, 100, or even 1,000,000 views on that video, who's gonna make any money? These are the things YouTube has to sort out. As I've been saying all along, YouTube Shorts is in its infancy and YouTube are still sorting a lot of stuff out. So there are going to be a lot of angry creators, frustrated with YouTube, not knowing where to go or what to do. What do you think about this update? Are you looking forward to sampling? Are you frustrated with YouTube for giving your permissions away without you knowing it? Let me know in the comments area below. I'd love to know your thoughts. And if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, click on that notification bell to be notified when we upload videos every single week to help you grow your YouTube channel. And if you would like to use YouTube Shorts to grow your channel, then make sure to click that link right there.